friends, how's it going? Happy Wednesday. Well, I am down in the basement. I want to share something with you that I did yesterday. So what I'm about to share just goes to show that you can make anything your own. Find something you like, add to it, and you are literally making yourself a one-of-a-kind original. So we are big movie buffs over here. We love to come down here to the basement and watch movies. And as you all know, over the years, we have built many home theaters. Now, we don't have a home theater down here, but we do have a very, very large TV, perfect for movie watching. And in past theaters, we've had wall sconces on the walls for ambiance. So I was down here last weekend and I was like, how could we do that? We don't have electrical wiring in the walls, sconces. So I thought to myself, Liz, you're gonna make your own. You're gonna make your own. A one-of-a-kind Liz original. If you missed Friday's video, we did this. And what I did was I ordered room dividers off of Wayfair. I zipped the hinges off. It makes the perfect rustic shutter. And I like them because they have the detail at the bottom, they have the detail at the top, and it just looks unique as opposed to a straight shutter, which are great. I have plenty of those, but I really do like the little arched at the top and the bottom. So as I stood here in this room, I thought to myself, could I add some LED rechargeable wall sconces? And so I jumped on Amazon and I got the ones you see behind me for a steal of a deal. You get 2 to a pack. So I ordered 3 sets. Let there be light down here. I just want the glimmer of soft, warm, subtle light on the walls over here. So let me show you. So let me explain. So yes, I do have lamps here. And to make it just a little unique, I went higher there, lower there, higher there, lower there. So you get this wonderful remote. You have all different color options. You have timer options over there. And it's just wonderful. It's fabulous. So me personally, I love warm white. Check this out. And when I want to turn them off, boom, boom. It's that simple. So when I found these beige shades, I snatched them as fast as I could. They came the next day. When we're watching a movie, those lamps will be off, and then I can take this and tailor the lights and the dimness to the amount that I want, which will be great because if we're watching a movie, it's gonna be dark and we just want subtle lighting. Now, if we have people down here and we're hanging out or playing board games or listening to music or whatever, I'll probably put these on all the way up. And also too, if you want to get a little cray-cray, look at all the color options you have. So there's a color for every season, whatever mood as well. So you could do this on a wall, you could do it on a shutter, you could do it on an architectural piece. Really, sky's the limit, make it your own. Okay, so today we're gonna be working on this little hutch, adding touches of fall. Some of the items I'm decorating with are old pieces of fall decor, which I cannot link. So what I'm going to do, if you like this look, I'm gonna link similar items so you can, potentially recreate this look. I'm starting out with this beautiful fall leaf platter. This is from Better Homes. This was a Walmart piece back many, many, many years ago. To this day, it is something I love and bring out every year. Next, I'm bringing in my Porcelain checkered plates. They have these on Amazon. I'll link these below. I also got these on Amazon last year. They are certified international. I'll link those as well.
My time is up when dark falls. The end of the
this little autumn sign I found on Wayfair 2 years ago.
Looking for someone, looking for someone, yeah. Looking for someone, looking for someone, yeah. Looking for someone.
And then I have this adorable pumpkin candle. It smells so good. And I got this on Amazon.
Been waiting for a lifetime. The end of the road, the lights go. My time is up when dark falls. The end of the road.
So I think that is looking awfully cute. So I often like to go in and repeat patterns. So I'm gonna add more plates, but these little dishes right here, those are salad plates. They're all a little different. Okay, this is from Hobby Lobby. It's a recent purchase. Okay, to fill in right here, wood base. So I always have to have a little bit of ambiance. So I have that cage light from Amazon. It has a little hole back there. I just popped the cord through. What I really need to do is sort of conceal that black cord so you don't see it as much. Wood riser. A stack of plates. Brown wooden bowl. To it, I have some old Hobby Lobby garland that I sometimes break apart just for the use of plopping them in different bowls, vases, vessels, that kind of thing. A little hops stem and this little pumpkin. So I'm gonna plop this in here, sort of tipping it. Then I'm gonna take my hops and nestle it right beside it. Kind of like that. Isn't that cute? And then I have this little fall easel. And I'm gonna place it here to balance the light that's kind of sticking out on the other side. And then I have this little leaf trivet that I got on Amazon. And then I have these really cute acorns from Hobby Lobby. And I'm just gonna set that right there. So I wanted to take the light ring off so you could get a glimpse at how cute this really looks. Garlands. I use them every year, except I can't find them. So you get two, but the key is you have to fluff it out. See, if you're gonna intertwine this into something, it's gonna look good. So I'm kind of letting the leaves tell me where they want to go, and I'm liking it. So I'm really liking this. It's subtle, and I think for fall it's perfect. So this tree does have little gaps, but I kind of like it. And you know, it's part of the charm. So now I'm going to go in with these little leaves from Hobby Lobby and just strategically place them where I feel like it needs a little something. Now I have some of these leaves from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just going to strategically place those. Really, I don't have as many picks as I'd like, so I'm just making use of what I have. I have some of these beautiful picks, Hobby Lobby. I'm just going to strategically place those as well. And for these big leaves, I sort of placed them kind of all in here because it just really needed it. And now I have these little berry picks, Hobby Lobby, 40% off. Love these. Okay, so I ran out of picks, and that's okay because I really wanted a subtle looking tree. I was actually looking on Amazon for the 8-foot maple tree, but I didn't want to spend the money. And here we go. I had a Christmas tree, all picks. I had some garland. Boom, autumn tree. So down below, I added this wood pumpkin, and I put this one on a little stool. And I think that looks really cute. And remember, this is that tree that they say is hard to decorate because it is sparse in so many different areas. But you know what? I really do like it. The old Liz would go in and add amber lights, signs, ornaments. But you know what? I kind of like this. I'm gonna wait and see how I like it. Do I want to add more or just leave it subtle? But when you come over here, in this little corner, it looks awfully cute. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, let me turn these on. I actually use this color right here. It's actually an orange, but it doesn't come off orange at all in person, I promise you. And when I tried the lighter color like this one, it's too much of a cool white and I hate that look. And you can see the difference. It's just very subtle, but it's warm, it's cozy, and it's pretty. I just turned the lights off because I wanted you to see it. Anyway, the orange is my favorite option, but I love these. And I kind of wish I would have gotten the gold because they would have popped against the black shutters. But, you know, anyway, it is what it is. I love it. It works. And I'm sure we'll be happy with this for years to come. I want to give you guys another idea because I can see myself doing this at some point. Here's a wreath. Take your wreath over the lampshade. Okay, so here is a beautiful fall wreath. I didn't fluff it out. I slipped it over the lampshade behind it. I unscrewed this, put it back on, and look, it's almost like a blooming lamp because this is illuminating the beautiful fall florals. Now, if I was gonna leave it like this, I would most definitely add in a beautiful fall bow and have it just draping down. And it would be so pretty. I would probably tie it up here and then just have it loosely falling. I'm really liking this. Let me put the lights on. Look how cute. And once again, this does not have to be on a shutter. It doesn't have to be on an architectural piece. It could simply, you know, be on a wall somewhere and you could have the same effect. Personally, I like the backdrop. It really makes the fall wreath pop. Well, my husband came down and he could not stop complimenting this tree. So I must have done something right. Said to him, "Are you sure you like it more simple?" He goes, "I love it. I love it." He's like, "Don't do a thing to it." All right, friends, that'll wrap up my video for today. I hope I've been able to give you some fun ideas on LED rechargeable wall sconces. I'll link them below. And a way to decorate your Christmas trees in a simplistic fashion using just garland and some picks. No ribbon, no ornaments, just subtle touches for fall. Not gonna lie, this might change once we're in the throes of fall because I can see myself wanting to throw a pumpkin spice sign somewhere in that tree, an owl, some wooden fall leaves, you know, things like that. I don't know. Or we may just keep it simple. I'll see you guys back here Friday. Love you all so much. I'll see you then. Mwah. Bye, guys.